Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad, and the big event is right around the corner. Now, that would be April 8th, the total solar eclipse right here in the U.S. Now, the weather models that I use aren't quite out that far yet, but it's starting to give us a little bit of indication of what it might be during the early part of April, and we can maybe extrapolate out what it might be like on April 8th. And in fact, if we can actually see the total eclipse, because remember, we don't need any clouds. We need clear skies. Here's the path. The path of total solar eclipse will be right around San Antonio, Dallas, Little Rock, Arkansas, right near St. Louis, Indianapolis. You're going to be right in it. Columbus, Cleveland, you're certainly going to be right smack dab in the middle. So the question is, what's the weather going to be like in this area? Well, on April 4th, that's the farthest the model is going out right now. And this is so far out, it's going to change. We know that. But I just want to give you a little bit of a sneak preview here. Very cold across most of the country once again. But then what else is new, right? We've been up and down yo-yo type weather for the last couple of weeks, and it looks like that's going to continue. But what I want to show you is this L there and those two L's. This one on April 4th should be off the coast by April 8th. These are the two that may give us a little bit of an issue. Now let's take a look at the precipitation. Okay, a little bit there on April 4th, but as I said, this L will be moving across, and I think that'll be off the coast. But let's kind of do an extrapolation here of where the L's, these two storm systems, could be on April 8th. So this is April 4th. So April 5th, they could be right around here. By April 6th, they could be here. April 7th, they could be there. April 8th, it could be along the eastern seaboard. If that holds true, this path right in here should have fairly clear skies, perfect to view the solar eclipse. But once again, this is still a long ways out. A lot could happen, but I will continue to update you on the possible weather for the total solar eclipse. So I'll be back in a few days with another update. Until then, I'm George, the Weather Dad.